Welcome investors and traders, I am Bearish, your host for today's video brought to you by the Market Action. In today's video, we want to cover something very interesting. How to look and analyze charts in a bear market, but with a bullish mindset. For the past 2 years, we have been in a very low interest rate environment bull market. Our brain is used to analyzing charts with a bullish bias. And a lot of us, even me at some times, are attracted to buy the dip mentality, which has worked very well in the past. But S&P now is in a correction. We are in a bear market. So we need to stay away from buy the dip mentality and avoid making trading mistakes. We need to switch gears, change strategy, and adjust. Now, it is not easy as flipping a switch, especially after a 2-year-long bull market. It's not that easy to just quickly switch gears, especially for people who are very visual. It takes time to adjust. So today, I'm going to show you a small adjustment you can implement when looking at charts to help you with trading in a bear market. So let me switch my screens here. Alright. So, first, we're going to look at a trick that we can use in the Trading View TD Ameritrade platform, Think or Swim. Here we have a chart, 1-year chart of S&P 500 index. As you can see, this is how it would normally look at. So what we're going to do to make that adjustment is simply where you type in the ticker, we're going to add a minus sign. And we're going to press enter. And what this does is, this will flip the chart. And now you can look at it. Looks like a beautiful chart with a falling price and finally breaking out to the upside. So this way, even though the price action is bearish, our brain can analyze it using a bullish mindset. You can also notice the candles are now flipped as well. The red candles are green, and the green candles are red. So here's a quick tip. So you can simply add a minus sign in front of anything, not just S&P. We can even use this for, say, like other tickers. Let's look at another one, ERKK. Hey, look at that. Price action going up. However, it's actually going down. But it makes it easy for a bullish brain to analyze it with a bullish bias. This also works on futures as well, so let's try /ES. Once again, hey, here you go. The chart is flipped, and you can analyze it using your bullish mindset. Let's look at just one more. Let's look at the chart of Apple. Here you go, same thing. Price was falling, and now it's slowly rising back up again, hitting some resistances. But it helps you with your charting. Everything is inverted. As you can see on the right hand side, the pricing scale is inverted as well. The chart is inverted as well, but this makes it easy for you to draw it up and analyze any breakouts to the downside. Another one we're going to look today is in the Trading View platform. Give me a second to switch my screens. So here, once again, let's just start with S&P and SPY, which is the S&P 500 index. And once again, we're on the daily time frame. Wow, I have a lot of alerts set up at different places. But looking at it, in here we can't really use a minus sign because it deducts it. Over here in the TD Ameritrade platform, you go to the price axis and you right click on it and click invert scale, or you can also press the Alt plus I combination key, and there you go. The price action, the charts is now inverted, and you can look at it with bullish mindset. I'm going to switch it to ARC because it might not have a lot of alerts set up on there. There you go. Hey, rising price, falling wedge, and a breakout again. Now, the only thing different between TD Ameritrade and Trading View is the candles are not inverted. So the red candles stay red and the green candles stay green. I haven't really looked much into it if there's a way to change it, but I'd rather not mess with it. But it's easy to kind of look at this once again with a bullish mindset and kind of even apply the bullish breakout patterns that you may be used to over the past few years. Simply right click, and once you're done, you can change it back to click on invert, and it will be back to its normal scale. Now, one thing to keep in mind is very, very important. I'm going to flip the chart again. Is when you're looking at the chart upside down, make sure your trades reflect the same. By that I mean, don't look at the chart thinking bullish and take on a bullish trade. Make sure you flip your trades according to chart and follow a bearish pattern if you see a bearish pattern developing on the charts or the price action. So very, very important, and something to be very cautious about, that, hey, don't look at the charts upside down and take a trade that is completely opposite to it. Make sure you trade in parallel to the way you're analyzing the charts, and you look at the price targets based on your trading. So something to be cautious about. But in a way, this makes it easier, especially with the bullish mindset we've been forced to analyze using in the last few years in the bull market. Something to help you and slowly turn things around and try to avoid making mistakes. So I hope this has been helpful. And make sure to check out our Market Action app at marketaction.live. Please like, share, and comment below with your feedback. Share any tips or tricks that you may have to trade in the current market. We're always eager to learn such things that may be helpful to us and other traders. And also, liking and commenting and sharing will help us show up higher in YouTube search results. Second, do not forget to subscribe, as we'll create more similar videos. So once again, thank you for tuning in. Have a great rest of the week, and we'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Take care.